we have continued to retain our dominance in terms of performance and fuel efficiency. Today I am very proud to say is world's best in performance and fuel efficiency, and we are here to deliver in state topic model that shows the confidence what we have, and we are ready to do with data. This dominance continues with BS5 new model as well. This has been improved with two power sources, most reliable, trusted, proven coalition, and new technically advanced Ashok Leyland engine. Industrial engine and coil engine, two options are going to be there with this BS5 launch, and air conditioning comes as an option in this model, and we will be launching the BS5 a new DLX model also, which is going to be the super luxury backhoeloader. It will have cushion seat, automatic transmission, and also air conditioning as standard. That will be the industry leading specification, which will be leading over which last 3 years over all other multinational company machines. We started at a very humble beginning. 1987 with 7 people. Today, we are 2,200 strong team members. And we are growing at a phenomenal pace. We are every month we are rolling out 400 to 500 machines every month. This year we are going to double our production. And we are taking our capacity of this plant to 9,000 machines. Already our machines are getting sold in 65 plus countries. Soon we will be reaching 100 plus countries where our international marketing and sales team members are rocking. And our performance of our machines are making us to get inroads in any other country. The coming year we will be launching our machine in American market also, and European market also. And we have as an organization, we have a great future because of our innovation. Our ability to change, our ability to innovate, to meet the customer requirements. And in a very fast manner that makes us get differentiated from our multinational competitors. So I thank all of you, especially our customers who trusted us. This being a Bull brand, a Indian brand, they trusted us and we met their expectations. Thank you very much all our beloved customers and financial partners who trusted us and they backed us up, they backed our customers up to ensure that our customers are supported enough for a genuine product, and which made our customer made them realize that yes, that trust has been upholded in the performance of the machine, and our customers are also doing a wonderful job. And with respect to both of them, we need to be supported by our channel partners, especially in servicemen. Our channel partners, dealers are performing exceedingly well. I thank all of them. A lot of effort they are putting in initial days. Not only they are harvesting some results, I really appreciate your efforts in popularizing this machine, showing the workstations, and making the customer experience the machine is making a real difference. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank all our Bull team members, workers, staff members, officials, the people in the field, our service team, marketing team, sales team. They have all done a remarkable job of making us to grow leaps and bounds, making us the fastest growing backhoeloader manufacturer in the world today. In 2016, when we were over, we took a mission. Within 10 years, we will be among the top 5 backhoeloader manufacturers in the world.
Bull means the performance leader. We are our driving by performance, but fueling by our partnership.